Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we downloaded our prerequisites for web scraping, and let's make a very interesting project on this. Our project is that we have to design a program that will check the availability of a dress, a shirt or any item and prompt us with a notification whether it is in stock or not. So let's see how we do it. Okay, so we have opened a new file and let's start by importing all our libraries. So write all these lines exactly as I have written them. These two lines are the very basic for every web scraping program, and this next line is for the notification. So we are done with importing our libraries, and now we will try connecting to our Chrome driver. So write this line webdriver.chrome. Inside this bracket, we will be writing the path where our Chrome driver is stored. So my path right now for Chrome driver is this, and make sure that you write up till the Chrome driver's name. So our next task will be connecting to our HTML page. So this is my page. I have to check whether this watch is available or not. So right now it's out of stock. Let's copy this link here and paste it in our program. So this driver.get will help us connect to the HTML page that we are looking for. Our next task will be relating to HTML. Here you must have a little bit of knowledge of HTML. So as you see, we have this out of stock button here. Right click on it and a menu pops up. Click on inspect element and you will be shown a window like this. So as you can see, it's written under class. Just copy this class portion, just the text within the quotes, and we have to look for this class in order to search whether our watch is in out of stock. So let's go back to our program and write this line. So this asterisk represents all the classes that we have named, whatever class name I will write here. So this is the syntax for writing the class name. So this line here will guide the Selenium where it has to go. I have mentioned the exact class where the Selenium has to find its path. Our next step will be extracting the text out of it. I will run a for loop and make a variable name avail where I will store i.text. So we are done. That's it. Let's quit the driver. This will close all the connections, and our next step will be generating a notification. This line will generate our toast. So there are two parameters that we give in it. The first one is the title of the toast. which I have mentioned watch check, and the next one is whatever the body of the notification has to be. So that's it. We're done with the program. It's hardly of 10 lines, and let's see if it works. So a window has opened here, but I get an error called toast notifier. Okay, sorry, it's toast notifier, not toaster. So we're done with it. Let's compile it again. So Chrome has opened up and we get our notification. So we get our notification. This is a floating notification, so it will disappear in some time. This is what toast really means. So we have done a few things here. Let's go back and just check them one by one again. Okay, so this is our 10-line program. The first 3 lines are just to import all our required libraries. The next 2 lines are to make connection. The first connection is made with our Chrome driver that will help us control our Chrome. The next connection is made with our HTML page. The next line, driver.find elements by XPath, is to guide Selenium to the class on which we want to work on. Next, our loop is to extract whatever the text we have in the class that we have mentioned in the previous line. Driver.quit closes all the connections. The next 2 lines are for notification. So in this video we built our own program of web scraping. So in the next video we will talk about JSON, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.